Are you ready to rewrite your financial story? Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom? It's time to take control. The path to wealth is closer than you think. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to building a rich life? This isn't about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune. This is about making smart choices and taking control of your financial destiny. It's about understanding the rules of money and using them to your advantage. This is about building a future where you have the freedom to live life on your own terms. We're about to embark on a journey together, a journey to uncover the best financial advice for building wealth. We'll explore proven strategies, debunk common myths, and equip you with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions. This is about more than just money. It's about building a life of abundance and opportunity. It's about achieving your dreams and securing your future. Are you ready to begin? Building wealth starts in the mind. It's about adopting a new perspective, a new set of beliefs. Wealthy individuals don't think about money the same way as everyone else. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. They view money as a tool for growth, not just something to be spent. One key difference is their relationship with risk. They understand that every investment carries some risk, but they don't let fear paralyze them. They educate themselves, assess the potential rewards, and make calculated decisions. They also understand the importance of delayed gratification. They're willing to make sacrifices today to reap greater rewards tomorrow. They prioritize investing over instant gratification. They know that slow and steady wins the race. Changing your mindset isn't about wishing for wealth. It's about actively shaping your financial future. It's about believing in your ability to build wealth and committing to the journey. Are you ready to embrace the mindset of the wealthy? The wealthy understand a fundamental principle: rely on multiple income streams, not just one. Why put all your eggs in one basket? Diversifying your income provides financial security and accelerates your path to wealth. Start by maximizing your earning potential in your current job. Seek promotions, negotiate raises, and constantly improve your skills. But don't stop there. Explore side hustles that align with your passions and skills. The internet offers endless possibilities: freelance writing, online courses, e-commerce, and more. Consider passive income streams that generate money even while you sleep. Rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, and online businesses can provide ongoing cash flow. Remember, building wealth isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. By creating multiple income streams, you'll build a resilient financial foundation and accelerate your journey to riches. How many income streams can you envision for yourself? Saving money is essential, but it's not just about hoarding cash. It's about creating a financial safety net and having the capital to invest in your future. The wealthy understand that saving is the foundation for financial freedom. Start by building an emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses, providing a cushion for unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Next, establish a consistent saving habit. Automate regular transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. You'll be amazed at how quickly small, consistent contributions can grow over time. Remember, saving isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritizing your financial goals. It's about making conscious choices today to secure a brighter tomorrow. How much can you commit to saving each month? Investing wisely, making your money work for you. Saving is crucial, but it's only the first step. To truly build wealth, you need to put your money to work. Investing is the engine that drives financial growth and helps you achieve your long-term goals. Start by understanding the basics of investing. Explore different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and precious metals. Each carries its own risks and potential rewards. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk and maximize returns. Consider your investment timeline. Short-term goals require different strategies than long-term goals. Align your investments with your specific financial objectives. Investing can seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. Start small, educate yourself, and seek professional advice when needed. Remember, the biggest risk is not investing at all. What are your investment goals and how will you achieve them? The debt dilemma, friend or foe on your financial journey. Debt can be a powerful tool when used strategically, but it can also be a major obstacle to wealth creation. The key is understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, drains your income, and keeps you trapped in a cycle of payments. It's crucial to eliminate bad debt as quickly as possible. Good debt, like a mortgage on a rental property or a student loan for a high-earning career, can actually help you build wealth. It's about leveraging debt strategically to create long-term financial gain. The wealthy understand the importance of managing debt wisely. They use debt strategically to acquire assets and generate income. They avoid high-interest debt that eats away at their wealth. What kind of debt do you have, and how can you manage it more effectively? Real estate building wealth, one brick at a time. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth creation. It offers a tangible asset with the potential for appreciation, income generation, and tax advantages. Owning rental properties can provide consistent cash flow and build long-term wealth through property appreciation. House hacking, where you live in one unit of a multifamily property and rent out the others, can offset your housing expenses and even generate income. Real estate investing requires careful planning, market research, and an understanding of local regulations. However, the potential rewards can be substantial. How can you incorporate real estate into your wealth-building strategy? Entrepreneurship, creating your own path to riches. Entrepreneurship isn't for everyone, but it offers unlimited potential for those with the drive and vision to create their own success. It's about identifying a need in the market and building a business that solves it. Starting a business requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to take risks. However, the rewards can be life-changing. Entrepreneurs have the potential to generate significant wealth, control their own destinies, and leave a lasting legacy. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, don't be afraid to pursue your passions. Research your ideas, develop a solid business plan, and seek guidance from experienced mentors. What business ideas are you passionate about, and how can you turn them into reality? The importance of financial education. Financial literacy is essential for anyone who wants to achieve lasting wealth. It's about understanding basic financial concepts, making informed decisions, and avoiding common financial pitfalls. Fortunately, there are countless resources available to enhance your financial knowledge. Books, podcasts, online courses, and financial advisors can provide invaluable insights and guidance. Make it a habit to continuously learn and stay updated on financial trends. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complex world of finance and make sound decisions for your future. What steps can you take today to improve your financial literacy? Building a community of financial success. The journey to wealth doesn't have to be a solitary one. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide support, motivation, and valuable insights. Seek out communities online or in person where you can connect with others who are passionate about financial growth. Share your goals, challenges, and successes with each other. Learn from each other's experiences and celebrate each other's achievements. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Together we can combat financial illiteracy and create a future of abundance and opportunity for all. How can you build a supportive community around your financial goals? Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Congratulations on taking the first step towards building a richer life. You've gained valuable insights into the best financial advice for getting rich. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Start small, take consistent action, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges and setbacks, but with persistence and a positive mindset, you can overcome any obstacle. Enter the link below in the description for more valuable insights, tips, and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. Subscribe now and become part of our community dedicated to financial empowerment. Together, we can rewrite our financial stories and create a future of abundance and opportunity.